Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can get started mining Ravencoin on Linux. I'm currently running Manjaro Linux myself, but this will work on most Linux distributions as long as you're running a NVIDIA GPU. Getting started is super simple, and with Ethereum switching from proof of work to proof of stake algorithms, Ravencoin will then be the most profitable coin to mine. It's probably the currency you should be mining right now and investing in for a multitude of reasons, which I will go over in a later video. To start mining, it's very simple. It's basically two steps. You're going to need to set up a wallet. Personally, I use the iPhone version of the wallet because I prefer to have it with me most of the time. But I will show you how to set up the Linux version really quickly. Once you have it downloaded, just extract the file, and you can delete the macOS version since you don't need that. You're going to need to navigate here because we're going to be checking its checksum first. So for terminal, I'm just going to type in cd desktop Linux, and as you see, this is the same two files as in here. What the checksum does is it prevents hackers from slipping in an unwanted file or malware and having you run it thinking it's the wallet. So we're just making sure that this is the legit wallet before running it. To get its checksum, we're just going to type in SHA-256 sum and then the name of any file you want to get this from. As you see here, this checksum and the one here match, so it should be safe to run this file. Once you have that, you can go ahead and extract it again, and you can delete the files because they're no longer needed. Then we're going to navigate to the bin folder, and from terminal, you just go cd like that to get to the bin. Or through the graphical interface, you can just click open in terminal. And as you see, it's the same folder. To run it, you just do /raven-qt. And that gives you the setup. I'm just going to use the default data directory. And I'm going to click OK. After that, it's going to start downloading all of the transactions from the Ravencoin blockchain from the start of it till now. So this actually takes a while, but you don't need to wait for it to finish to move on to the next step. Once it finishes loading, you can just hide this. It'll take a while to back this up. Right now it's around like 5.5 gigabytes. But what we want to do is click on receive and request payment. This will give us an address, and that's all we need to move on to the next step. I can close this right now, and so our next step is going to be mining through a pool. We're going to use, you can use any of these pools, but I'm going to use two miners, and all the pools are pretty much the same. What really matters is the fee percentage, which here it takes 1%, and the amount you need to mine before a payout, which for two miners is 10 Ravencoin, and right now that's around $1.2. If we put this address in here, you can see nothing comes up yet because we haven't started mining. But we're going to get started really quickly. Two miners wants you to use, or their recommended miners are gMiner, and there's another one. But gMiner is really easy to set up and use, so we're just going to go with that one. You're going to go to GitHub and find the gMiner page. Sometimes it takes you to the home page, and to get to the download page, you just need to click here. we're gonna download the tar file just like we did before. But this time we need to make a folder to store it in. So I'm just gonna call it gMiner. We're gonna go ahead and extract it. And once that's done, we can open gMiner and see that the whole miner has been extracted here. You have a readme.txt and your sample config file, but as you see, there's a mine underscore ravencoin.sh file. This is basically a command that just launches the miner and has a couple of flags, which, for example, the algorithm is cowpow, which is used to mine Ravencoin. And you're going to want to put your wallet right here. So you're going to take your wallet address and just paste it in here. And I already have this set up, which is similar. You can choose the intensity. I choose to run mine at 95%, but automatically it's going to be 100. The server here I have is the US server, so it's going to be us-raven.2miners.com because their original one is European. And there's a different username. Pass is the password, and I don't think you need to have that filled, but on the 2Miners website it says pass X, so I did that just in case. I'm just going to copy everything I have here and paste it right here. And we're going to go dash dash pass X. See, the only difference is just the wallet. And you can name your rig whatever you want. So you're going to go dot rig underscore 1, for example, if you're going to have multiple computers. And then for the next computer, you're just going to call it rig 2 and rig 3 and so on and so on. So you can easily see the statistics from their website. Once you have this done, you can just save it. And we're going to go here and run the file. So I'm going to open this in terminal and just press /mine underscore ravencoin.sh. And once we have this started, that's basically all you have to do. It's going to be mining. And on the 2Miners website, it will send you 10 Ravencoin every time you have over 10 Ravencoin on your account. I'm actually going to close this because it's making my computer very slow. And I'll show you what has happened when I was mining. So, as you may have seen when I was on 2Miners, I already had a wallet in here. And one of these is my old wallet. Yep. So, as you can see, I've earned 111 Ravencoin, and there's 8 Ravencoin that is unpaid. I haven't been mining for the last couple of days because I've been busy with other stuff, but I like to do this in the background and earn a bit of side income. If this helped you, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. And I'm going to be making more videos about crypto and apps in the future. Thank you. This is Daniel, and I'm signing off.